Good day, friends. Let's continue with 7.1. Before this video, in the previous video, we started with statistics. We seen different types of bar graphs: simple bar graph, subdivided bar graph, percentage bar graph, joint bar graph. Based on that, page number 111, practice set 7.1. First question we covered in the last video. Let us continue with second question. 7.1, page number 111, practice set 7.1, question number 2. Open the textbook. In the table given below, the information is given about roads. Using this, draw subdivided and percentage bar diagram. Approximate the percentages to the nearest integer that we have seen. If we have 85.6, then it can be considered as 86. If we will be having 85.4, then it will be considered as 85 only. How we calculate the percentage at the end of the year when we are telling it to other, same way it is. But in this question there are two sub questions. First is to draw subdivided and then percentage bar diagram. So one data but two graphs will be required. With the help of one table only we will continue it. So first we will form a table. What is given here? Information about the roads. 2000 to 2001, permanent roads in lakh kilometer and temporary roads also in lakh kilometer. Means that many lakh kilometer permanent road was available for that particular year, and that many kilometers temporary roads were available. And year by year it is changes. As we know, always the construction works is going on and the road work most of the times it is going on. So the rough work or the temporary roads will be converted into permanent. Sometimes permanent roads get damaged. In very rare area, permanent road can be also converted into temporary after so many years. So here we have years that can be considered as classes. So first years that we will be take as classes. Okay. Then we will require class mark. Okay, if we want to draw, sorry, class mark is not necessary. We are talking about the percentage bar diagrams. For bar diagram, class marks are not necessary. Only if the classes are continuous or discontinuous. For bar graph also, it is not necessary that the classes are continuous, but if the continuous, we can show them separate as it is part of bar graph. Okay, in the last 2005-6, 2007-8, 2008-9 and 2009-10. Okay, for the first 2005-6 and second was 2007-8. After that it was continuous and first was 2005-6. So there was huge gap. No matter, as per the given information we have to mention it separately. Okay, here 5 years are there, sorry 4 years are there, so we will mention it as per that. 4 bars will come, 4 rectangles will come vertically. So first is classes, then second is permanent roads. Permanent roads in lakh kilometer. For 2000 to 2001, 14 lakh kilometer permanent roads were available. Then temporary roads, that is also in lakh kilometer, 10 lakhs were there. We need to have total of this, then only we will be able to convert it into percentage. So 14 plus 10, total is here 24. Okay, now we will convert this into percentage because it will be needing for the percentage bar graph. Okay, now see, 14 plus 10, total 24 lakhs kilometer road was available in this period 2000 to 2001. Out of 24 lakhs, how much was permanent? 14 lakhs. Out of 24 lakhs, 14 lakhs was permanent road. So we can easily convert it into percentage. Out of 24, 14, then out of 100, how much? It is like this. Suppose the algebra test is taken on this lesson statistics, it will be of 24 marks, for example. Usually we are taking it like 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 100. So it is easy to convert out of 100. Here Suppose the test is taken of 24 marks and one child got 14 marks. Okay, test is taken of 24 marks and one child got 14 marks. So 14 out of 24, then out of 100 how much? 14 upon 24 multiplied by 100. It will be giving us the percentage of that child. Same way for the second child, he scored 10 marks out of 24. How much is the percentage? 10 divided by 24 multiplied by 100. It will be his percentage. Same criteria, same basic things. Only instead of child, these are the permanent roads and this is the length of temporary road. So we'll convert into percentage. Percentage for permanent roads. I will write it PR. Percentage for permanent roads. How to calculate? 14 lakhs kilometer out of 24 lakhs kilometer was permanent roads for this 2000 to 2001. Then out of 100, how much? So we can solve it. 14 upon 24 into 100 will solve it this side. 14 upon 24 into 100. Last time we direct multiply this and we divided by 24. In the last video we formed the table of 24. Here if possible we can simplify also. How it will be? 2 sevens are 2 12s are. Okay, now 100 into 7 is 700 divided by 12. Table of 12. We'll continue with that. 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 72 is more than 70, so 12 5 is 60, remainder is 10. 10 and this 0, it will be 100. 12 8 is 96, remainder is 4. Decimal point, we'll convert that 4 into 40. So 40, we have to divide 40 by 12. 12 3 is 36. Again 4, 40 minus 36 is 4, so 0, 40. So again it will be 12 3. So we have here 58.33. So approximately what will be the percentage? As we discussed, after the decimal point, if the digit is between 0 to 4, after the decimal point, if the digit, first digit is between 0 to 4, then no change in the integer, consider as it is. So it will be approximately equal to 58%. But after the decimal point, if the digit is 5 to 9, after the decimal point, if the digit is between 5 to 9, then one additional integer we have to consider. For example, suppose if it would have 58.63, then after the decimal point, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then approximately this value is equal to 59, because see, this is more than half. More than half means approximately it is equal to one full integer. For example, suppose if you are having chapati, okay, and if you had more than half, if you had more than half chapati, then as per you you ate full. Okay, your mother will say that you did not finish full till certain parts, chatkor chapati raili, but you will say no, it is more than half, it was equivalent to, it was equal to full. So in that way it is, if it is more than half, then it will be considered as full. So here for 2000 to 2001, it will come 58% is the percentage for which roads? Permanent roads. Same way, now percentage for temporary roads, one more column will be needing. Percentage for temporary roads, I will write TR. Very easy. If this is 58%, remaining out of 100 will be temporary. So 100 minus 58. From 100 if we minus 58, it remains 42%. 100 minus 58, it remains 42%. Or if we want to cross check, 10 out of 24. See, 14 out of 24 it is converted into out of 100. Same way, remaining temporary roads, how many lakhs kilometer? 10 lakhs kilometer. Out of 24 lakhs kilometer, 10 lakhs were temporary roads. So out of 24, if 10, then out of 100 how much? Answer will be this one. See, out of 24, 10, then out of 100 how much? Let us see how it will be. Suppose 2 5s are 2 12s are 5 into 100, that is 500. 500 upon 12, 12 4s are 48, remainder will be 2. 2 and this 0 will form 20. 12 1s are 12. 20 minus 12, remainder is 8. Because of decimal point, that 8 will be 80. Now 80 divided by 12. 12 6 are 72. Remainder is again 8. 8 will form 80 and again it will be 6. Now see the first digit 41.66. First digit is 6 or more than 6. Means 1 need to be added in this. 42%. Same answer. Okay. So either by calculation or by direct we can get the values. If one value is clear, second can be just get by subtracting through 100. Now for next year. Next year is 2001 to 2002. 2001 to 2002. Permanent roads were 15 lakhs kilometer and non-permanent temporary roads were 11 lakhs kilometer. Total of this 15 plus 10, 25 plus 1, 26. For 2001 to 2002, total 26 kilometers. So, number of kilometers are increased by 2 lakhs kilometer. Okay, so out of 26 lakh kilometers, 15 lakh kilometers were permanent. 15 out of 26, then out of 100, how much? We'll solve it. 15 upon 26 into 100. Suppose if we'll now 15 and 26, they are not multiple of each other or multiple of same number. So we can solve in this way. 2 50s are and 2 13s are. Okay, 15 into 50, 0 as it is. 15 5 is 75 divided by 13. 750 divided by 13. Table of 13. If we divide 750 by 13, 13 6 is 78. 13 5 is 65. Remainder is 10. 10 and this 0 it will form 100. Then again 13. 7s are 91. 13 7s are 91. 100 minus 91. It remains 9. Decimal point will convert it into 90. 13 7s are 98. 1. So 13 8s are 13 7s are 91. 13 6s are, sorry, not 13 8s are. 13 6s are 78. 90 minus 78. It remains 12. 1 0 we can consider because decimal point is taken. 120. 13 9s are now 104. So it is 57.68. See, after the decimal point again the digit is 6 means more than 5. So approximately this value is equal to 58%. So again it is 58%. Okay. So 100 minus 58 it will give 42%. Conversion of given information into percentage. For next year 2002 to 2003. 2002 to 2003, what will be the calculation? It is given 2003 to 2000. Sorry, next is 2003 to 2004, not 2002 to 2003. First is 2000 to 2001, next is 2001 to 2002, 2002 to 2003. Suppose data is not available or the roads are not made, as it is no change. Next is 2003 to 2004. 2003 to 2004, information is 17 lakh kilometer permanent roads and 13 lakh kilometers temporary roads. We convert it into percentage. 17 plus 13, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 10, 30. 17 lakh kilometer was permanent out of 30 lakh kilometers. Then out of 100, how much? 17 upon 30 into 100, 10 get cancelled. 17 into 10, 170 upon 3. Very easy. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 2, it will be 20. 3 6 are 18. Remainder is 2. The decimal point will convert the 2 into 20. Again 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So 56.6. After the decimal point the digit is 6, which is 5 or more than 5 category. So it will be 57. 1 will be added. So 56 plus 1 because of more than half after the decimal point. 57%. It was 58 here. Here we have 57. 100 minus 57, it gives 43% non-permanent, that are temporary. Okay. Next year it is 2003 7 to 2008. After 2004, direct 2007 to 2008. Permanent roads 20 lakhs kilometer. Permanents and non-permanents, that is temporary roads, are 19 lakh kilometer. 20 plus 19, 39 kilometer. 39 lakh kilometer. 20 out of 39 were permanent, then out of 100 how much? It will be 20 upon 39 into 100. 39 can be divisible by 3, but 20 and 100 cannot be divisible. Other thing, different types of calculations. Either multiply these both and table of 39, or we can simplify these two as 3 ones are 3 threes are. Here 3 6 are 18, remainder is 2, decimal point will form 20, again 3 6 are, again 20, 3 6 are. So we have 6.66 divided by 13 into 100. 6.66 divided by 13 into 100. 6.66 can be divided by 13, and finally we can multiply it by 100. Or this is recurring, same number, so first multiply it by 100 and then 6.6666 multiplied by 100, it will be 666.66. Decimal point will move this side because we are multiplying by 100, divided by 13 as it is. 666.66, recurring number it is, okay, divided by 13. One type of calculation I am telling. You can continue in that way also. So there are different types of calculations which are mathematically correct. Final answer will be same. We'll divide this by 13. 13 5 is 65, remainder is 1. 1 and next 6, it forms 16. 13 1s are 13. 16 minus 13, remaining is 3. Decimal point as it is, this 3 and 6 will form 36. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 39 is bigger than 36. So 13 2s are 39 minus 26. How much remains there? 39 minus 26. It will be 13. Sorry, not 39, 36. 36 minus 26. It remains 10. 10 and this additional 0, it will form 106. So 13 7s are 91. 13 8s are 108. So 13 7s can be considered. But the digit after the decimal point is 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So 51.2, approximately it is equal to 51 itself. So this is 51%. Next will be 100 minus 51, that is 49%. Okay, so this is conversion of given information into percentage. Now with the help of this, we have to draw percentage bar diagram. Also we have to draw subdivided bar diagram, because in this question there are two graphs are asked in this question. 7.1 question number 2. First it is asked, using this draw subdivided and percentage bar graph. So first we will draw percentage and then we'll come back to subdivided, because for subdivided information we have here 1410 in the textbook. If I will rub this, then again we will not get the information about percentage. So first we will draw percentage bar graph with the help of the calculations which we have. I will rub this side, then from the textbook question we will take the information to draw the graph whatever needing. 7.1 question number 2. Out of that graph number 1, first we will draw percentage bar diagram. So for percentage bar diagram, x dash y dash, it will come first on your graph paper. Arrowheads has to be there. Question number is compulsory. Then it will come scale. For scale, on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. Okay, so this is already divided into unit part, that is centimeter parts in your graph paper. On your graph paper I will just divide it because I have plain board. Okay, now first year it is mentioned 2000 to 2001, and as it is subdivided, sorry, we are trying first percentage bar graph. So percentage bar graph, the bars will be, rectangles will be at particular distance from each other, at equal distance from each other. Okay, whatever in the previous 7.1 question number 1 in the last video, I told you that 2005 to 2006 this is separate, then all three remaining are continuous. So there might be some mistake. No, I want to change my sentence. I was wrong there. It is not wrong. See, in subdivided bar graph, the information may be with the gap or without gap, not necessary, because anyhow we are mentioning them with different bars. Okay, but while showing it on the graph paper, the gap between the bars we have to show same. Okay, so if the years are with the gap or continuous, it will not matter. So question is correct. There is no change in the question. Same way here also it happened. Some years are skipped, no matter. Whatever years are available, that we will consider. Now first is 2000 to 2001. So this we will consider 2000 to 2001. Okay, this I will shade it or I will dark it. So this year we will consider. Then next is this. After that this. After that this. As per needing. Second is 2001 to 2002. So this we will consider as 2001 to 2002. Next, this we will consider it as 2003 to 2004. 2003 to 2004. And the last, this we will take it as 2007 to 2008. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years information is with us. Now, on the y-axis, scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to how much? As we know, we are drawing a percentage bar graph. So maximum we have 100. Okay, so it is okay to take every 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So 10 centimeters will require, it will cover the page properly. If we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 50%, it is also possible. 1 centimeter is equal to 50%. So graph will get cover only in these 2 centimeters. So small, and remaining full page will be empty. So while observing it, while looking towards it, it will not look properly. So proper balance of the space available, paper available to us and the information with us, there should be the proper balance. Same way, like suppose if we have this as a page and it is asked us to draw one rabbit. Okay, it is asked us to draw one rabbit. So what we'll do, we'll utilize the page properly and the rabbit will be drawn properly. If additional things we are required, scenery and that, we can show it. Okay, so the proper credit will be given to the person. But if same page is there and full page is empty and rabbit is just drawn here and remaining part is just not utilized for other things, only the main, rest all things are there which are not necessary. Topic of the drawing is rabbit, so concentration should be on the rabbit more, not on the other things. Same way here, available space we have to utilize for the proper information provided to us. Now, so scale on y-axis, we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So 10 centimeters will be required there. 10%. So it will be 10%, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. So here we have percentage and here we have years or classes you can consider on x-axis. Origin is 0, 0. It's okay. Now for the first year, 2000 to 2001, percentage of permanent roads, 58%. So this is 2000 to 2001. First we can mark it till 100 because anyhow it is percentage bar graph for all 4. Second year, 100%. Third year, 100%. And for the fourth year also 100%. As we have percentage bar graph, all will be at equal 100% because comparison of all is out of 100. That is why it is a percentage bar graph. For first, temporary roads percentage is 42, permanent roads percentage is 58. So 58 means after 58 small line. So on your graph paper in between 50 to 60, suppose if this is 60 and this is 50, you have total small 9 lines between 50 to 60 which divide this portion into 10 equal parts. Suppose if this is 55, then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. So this one is your 55. So where this 58 will come? We are showing this 58 After 58 small line, 51%, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58. So your 58% will be here. The graph should come at that level. So 50, in between 50 to 60, 58 this, and remaining will be automatic 42%, because this total is 100. How we got it? 100 minus 58, remaining is 42. Same way this total is 100 minus 58, remaining is 42. So to differentiate them, we can use different methods. Either you shade it, or you use dotted, or you dark it, as per the time available. Don't waste your full time in the drawing. Okay, just easily how you can differentiate. So that also need to mention here. What is this portion? This portion shows percentage of permanent roads, and this shaded portion, it will be showing percentage of non-permanent, that is temporary road. So this is also necessary to mention, because we are differentiating them with the help of shade. Let us continue with the next year. Next year is 2001 to 2002, and percentage here is same, 58 and 42. No change in that. 58, 42 for the next year also. Next 2003 to 2004, little bit change, 57 and 43. So 57 means after 57th small line, so little change, one line down, 1 millimeter down, and the remaining is 43. Here it was 42, 42, this is 43. And the last one is 51 to 49. 51 means after 51st small line, 1 millimeter. So this is 50, after 51 small line, the remaining is 49. And 100% is for all. So this is conversion of given information into percentage bar graph. 7.1, question number 2, first graph. As we discussed, in this we have one more, that is subdivided bar graph. Now let us continue with subdivided bar graph. On the same, how we can draw subdivided bar graph. On x-axis it can be same, y-axis also we can consider. See what is given to us. 14 and 10. 14, 10, total is 24. Next is 15, 11, total is 30, 15, 25, sorry, 26. Next is 17 and 13. 30 is the total, and the last is 20 and 19, total is 39. Now for this subdivided bar graph, for the first, now here it will be up and down. See, maximum information is here till addition of both, means maximum is 39. Now if we will consider this same, graph will get covered here only. So on y-axis we can change little bit. Instead of 10, we can consider 5 per centimeter is equal to 5. So what will happen here? Instead of on y-axis 10%, we'll consider 5 lakhs kilometer. 5 lakhs kilometer, because now there is no percentage. We are drawing subdivided. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We are needing maximum till 40 only. Okay, so for the first year, this permanent roads 14 lakh kilometer. First year is here. This was our first year, then it was second year, then it was third year, and then it was fourth year. Okay, so for the first year, 14 lakh kilometer. So first we can draw the total. Total bar will be needing of 24. 25 is here, less by 2 now, because 25 to 20. Last it was every 1 millimeter is equal to 1 lakh kilometer, or 1%. Now here we have 10 lines, but scale is 10 small lines is equal to 5 units. So every 2 line will have 1 lakh kilometer. Total is needing 24. So after 28 small line, it will use 24. Out of 24, 14. After 10, 8 small line. So till 14 it is permanent, and the remaining is non-permanent. So non-permanent roads, percentage will not come here. Blank is permanent roads and shaded is non-permanent roads. Same way for the second, total bar is required of 26 for the second year. 26 means after 25 two small lines. Out of 26, 15 lakh kilometer permanent, 15 is here, and the remaining even 11 lakh kilometer is temporary. Same way you can draw the subdivided bar graph for remaining 2 years. And question number 2 we completed here of 7.1. Here we have total 2 graphs, subdivided and percentage. I hope you people understood it. So we'll stop here for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.